All right, we're gonna do a video with all the dogs. We've got Siren, we've got Belle, Chewy, Dean, and Thor all out here. We're gonna try to get some order with all these dogs. You can kind of see everybody's personalities here. Dean tries to stay away from everyone. Belle and the puppy are crazy. Come here. No. So I've got collars on them, so if they get too wound up and too rambunctious, I'm going to put them in check a little bit. No. I'm not going to allow jumping on me. I'm going to try to reward the good behavior, the calm and polite behavior, good. So like Dean, I'm not going to do a lot. No kid. Come here. Good. No. Very nice. Good. Come here, Dean. Dean, come here. Come here, Dean. So Dean is so incredibly shy, he doesn't even want to get up and mix up the other dogs for food. Sit. So what we might do with Dean is just put him on a leash. Put him on a leash and get him moving around with us. Come here, Dean. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, kiddo. You're all right. Here we go. Here we go. Good boy. Come here. You're all right. You're all right, kiddo. You're all right. Come on. Good. Let's get him kind of moving around with the other dogs here. Trying to start getting a little bit of controlled chaos. No. Good. Good. Now do this with all the dogs. Sit. You just practice sitting in a group and having some manners. Good boy, Dean. Good. So I don't want people butting in. The main reason I don't like them butting their nose in is because you get 2 or 3 dogs all doing it at the same time. It's a good way to get your hand bitten. So what you're seeing Dean do right now is kind of avoiding, but still wanting to be part of it all. That's what Siren was doing. And she's gotten so much better. So that's what I want to see happen with Dean. Come on. Hey. Don't be sneaking treats. Siren. Good dogs. And by doing this, kind of keeping them moving, keeping them focused on me, I'm not just letting them all run around crazy, wrestling, letting somebody get upset with someone else. And I do have collars on all of them, remote collars. So if someone does start getting too much and making someone else mad, then I can put it in check. Good. Especially when you're working with dogs that are kind of skittish and timid, a lot of the times those will be the ones that will get grouchy because they don't know how to handle all the commotion. Come on. Good dogs. Good dogs. Good boy. Nope. Oh, Dean, you almost had it. You almost had it, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. No. Dean. Good. 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 All right, come on. Come on, Dean. Good. There we go. Good. So this is what I call like socializing a dog. I cannot stand just taking a dog and letting it loose in a dog park and hoping for the best. I want to have some control over all of them. I want to be able to see everybody's body language, everybody's behavior, who's being too rough, who's acting scared. And being able to control every one of them with a collar if I need to. Good. Come on, Dean. Come on, buddy. No, come on. No, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Up. Up. Come on, buddy. You do it. There you go. Good. Good. So like things like that wall, I'm not going to just let him Come on. Yeah. Good. Good boy. Good boy. So like right now, if it starts getting crazy, you calm down. So I'll show you what I mean with the collars. Right then and there, we stop the chasing. Good. And getting Dean on this leash was the best thing because he really didn't have a choice but to be part of the gang here. And I wasn't going to just let him hide. Good dogs. Come on. Good. Okay, everybody walking around with us here. Good. Come on. Center. Bella, come here. Very good. Very good. All right, let's take another lap. Come on, guys. Good. Good boy. Good boy, Dean. Come on. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Good boy. Come on, Dean. Nope, not ready for that one. Come on. Good. So you saw the first couple times I had to kind of tug him over that wall. But I had to do that so he'd just get over it and realize that he's not going to die if he goes over the wall. And now he's just hopping over it like it's nothing. So that's what I wanted to see. Good job, guys. Good dogs. Good dogs. Very nice. Very nice. All right. All right, well, I'm going to let them kind of do their own thing for a little while, and we will see you on the next one. I might have a video Christmas Day. We will see. All right, toodles.